You know it, folks. It is Epic Ride 2014. Here we go. I think the closer we get to Asheville, the more traffic will be on that thing here. Ooh, that's a curve. That's not a 45-mile-an-hour curve right there. Oh, Blue Ridge, I hear you. You're a little awesome here. Where are we going? What are we doing? Come on, Metzlers, don't let me down now. This is some shiny, slick roads up here with a wall and death on the other side of the wall. So let's keep it all together, Shady. Don't you slip out from under me. Oh, don't do that. Don't look over the wall. I don't know who it is. I don't think it's Road. Is it Road Jordanian? It goes over to Yemen and such and does pretty good mountainous roads. I should have something interesting to talk about, right? Because I'm on this mountainous road. Anyhow, Epic Ride 2014. Very epic, very little dialogue. Okay. Okay, so we had to do a battery change there. Now we're back. Going south on the Blue Ridge Parkway. Headed to Linville, North Carolina on day 2, tank 2. Day 1! Day 1, tank 2. Calm down, everybody. Day 1, tank 2. Park. It's interesting enough not to stop. 1 o'clock is a good time to look for some food. How about that? Let's find some food. Not a picnic area, a restaurant. How about that? Blue Ridge Parkway, super scary when it's raining and cold. Low notch gap. Wow. Try not to run. Wow. Don't see that. Wow. It's a neat kind of fence. I've never really seen that before. Hiking and picnicking ahead, and cows. We're working a mile. Wait time up to 8 minutes. Okay, so we're stuck at a stoplight here.